Alright, y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is the video I was telling you guys about. You can't send me a wig and I'm going to be installing it today. This is the wig. I don't know which video she wore it on. If you don't know who Kane is, this is Kane, Biggie Kane, not the little one. But yeah, I'm finna do this voiceover right, because you have to. Like, I'm wearing success on my head right now. Ain't no way I should fumble this video. Like, this is success on my head. This is a cane I'm wearing. This is a cane inside of it. But not like that. But yeah, alright, so I'm finna go on. I'm finna do this right. I'm finna put my glue on. Not too much, not too little. And I'm gonna spread that out with my popsicle stick. I haven't got there yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. Spread it out with my popsicle stick. I'm spreading it, I'm spreading it, I'm spreading it, I'm spreading it. Spread, 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 spread. Alright, I am blow drying it, letting it dry clear, because that is what he came taught me. Let that glue dry clear. Clear. Alright, I'm going to do like a couple layers. Like, I did a couple layers. But we finna lay this junk down. And Kane told me, wait till it's clear. It was clear enough. And I shouldn't have been hard-headed, trying to rush, excited and stuff. Done laid this wig when it wasn't completely clear. And that's what she tell us. When you lay the wig down without the glue being completely clear, you got to go back and fix where that glue is showing through, because you're going to see the white. You got to go back and fix it. And this wig was over bleached. And, of course, Kane is a lot lighter than me. So I put my makeup on top of it to try to, blend it to my skin color. Kane actually told me, for future references, use a darker foundation than your skin to fix the bleach knots on this colored wig, because I YouTube how to fix bleach knots on a colored wig, and there's no video on how to bleach knots on a colored wig. It's only black wigs. So I'm probably gonna do a video on that once I figure out how to do it for real. But what am I doing in this mirror? Laying the wig. Okay, I'm laying the wig down. And I had pushed all the hair to the back, the baby hairs, because she had baby hairs pre-cut and stuff. Pushed those to the back. I had melted it with the hot comb, and they starting to come back up. Make sure it's laid. There's that white glue that I'm going to have to fix later. Alright, I'm just going to blow dry this to make sure that the glue is dry. Because like I said, I didn't let it dry completely clear, so I have to blow dry it now to make sure it's down. Right now, I'm changing it to a side part because, like, I knew I couldn't wear it as a middle part. But I'm not going to mold it just yet. I think I was just playing to see how it looked, and I went with the side part because I'm not a middle part girl. I am a side part girl. But right now, I'm going to push all my hair to the back so I can put my ebony spray on it and tie it down. That's what you see me doing. Those baby hairs had gotten away. I think I should have pushed those back with the hot comb again. See, I learn stuff as I go. I'll be watching my mistakes. And another mistake, I should have turned the camera towards the mirror so you can see what I'm doing instead of watching this past photo. Alright, I done put all the spray, and I'm finna use this scarf as my melting band. I have like 4 melting bands, and I don't know where none of them are. I lied. It's 2 in my cart, but those aren't good ones. Those are the cheap ones. I don't know where my good melting bands went. I think my grandma stole one. I lost the other one in Nashville. I just have to go to the hair store and buy some more. But yeah, I'm going to be using this scarf as my melting band. And I think I was pushing the hair back what I said the hair was laying out. Not laying out, the hair had fell out. I was pushing the hair back so I could put the scarf back on. I just lied to y'all. I was not fixing the Ebony spray. What you see me doing is cleaning that white glue up on the side where I didn't let it dry clear. Yep, I had to clean that up. And then I'm gonna spray it to put the scarf on it for the melted band. It look like I got a wig to work. Oh, I'm tired. But yeah, it look like I got that wig too far up. But it don't look like that on my head, so I was making TikToks and doing this YouTube video at the same time. So as you see, I already made my part for my side part and put some wax on it. Well, I'm putting wax on it now. I just haven't molded it yet, but I'm getting ready to mold it. And yeah. Alright, so I told y'all I'm doing a TikTok as well. So I done took off my band, well, my scarf. I'm gonna put makeup around my edges. This makeup is the color of my skin. Like I said, you can't tell me use darker makeup next time to fix those over bleached knots. But yeah, I'm just gonna be putting makeup on, then putting the spray, melting it, My problem is I don't let my hair melt neither. I put a scarf on and then just, let it sit there for like 2 seconds and pull it off. I be impatient. But see, I got the makeup. I'm putting the spray. And it's like, it was giving scalp. It was just like, the part is where I messed up. I kept putting makeup on the part. I put light makeup, dark makeup. The dark makeup was too dark. Then the light makeup was too light. So, like, I had messed the part up because it looked like I didn't have a part. So I had went and reparted my side to make it look like a part was still there. So I'm finna tie my hair back down, and I'm probably finna curl my hair after this. I can't remember. But yeah, this hair is already giving, like, look at it. It's so fine. Already giving scalp. Over bleached and all. It's cute. Like, I definitely ate. See, I don't let my hair melt. I do that. Like, just pull it over. Alright, so I am not curling my hair. I'm finna do my baby hairs. So I told you, the wig, she had already had baby hairs cut, and there was a lot of them. Oh, I'm so tired. But I told you I'm slacking. This is a success video. You tripping, Tink. But I told you the baby hairs she had were already out, so really I didn't have to do too much cutting of the baby hairs. And right now you just see me combing them out, like parting and combing them out of the thing. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me do my baby hairs. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all see I put that cocoa macchiato on. In words of a cane, what you say? Not too much, not too much. Period, poo. I definitely ate. I did my big one with this one. I really did. Look at me, look at me, look at me. I ate. Period, poo. Not too much, not too much. What you say? Are you shitting me? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.